Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the last trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Wipro because company reported the Q4 result where numbers are down in all the fronts. If you look at the revenue, it is up by only 0.7% at 22,445 crores. EBIT is again up by 0.7%. EBIT margins is on flatter side at 17.5% on sequential basis. If we look at the constant currency, the revenue is down by 0.8% and total booking is up by 13.4% at $3,955 million on sequential basis. Now, if you look at the guidance, it indicates a projected revenue decline of 1.5% to 3.5% quarter-on-quarter basis in constant currency, with expected revenue between $2,505 million and $2,557 million. The next stock which you need to look at is Angel One, where company's net profitability is down by 49%. Revenue is again down by 22.2%, EBITDA is down by 35%, and margins are also contracted by 6 to 7% at 32.5%. Along with this, company approves the final dividend of 26 rupees per share for fiscal year 25. The next stock which you need to look at is GTPL Hathway, where the company's net profit is down by 20% at 10 crores. Revenue is up by 10%. EBITDA is again down by 5.6% and margins are also contracted by 2% at 2%. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals is the next stock which you need to look at because company's unit is going to launch mixed salt of a single entity Amphetamine product. The next stock is Paytm because company's CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma says he voluntarily forgone all the 2.1 crores ESOPs with immediate effect. Alert you need to look at because these ESOPs were granted to Vijay Shekhar Sharma under 197 Employee Stock Option Scheme 2019, and this would result in the acceleration of ESOP expenses of 492 crores in Q4 fiscal year 25. Also, this would lead to a lower ESOP expenses in future years. The next stock which you need to look at is Ultratech Cement because company acquires 26% stake in Amphetamine CNI Par 8 for 25.5 crores. Basically, you need to remember that Amphetamine CNI Par is engaged in the generation and transmission of renewable energy. The next stock is BHEL because company has entered into a technological transfer agreement with the Bhabha Atomic Research Center to access indigenous diaphragm technology for electrolyzers, seen as a critical step in advancing India's green hydrogen ambition. The deal focuses on bark mixed matrix membrane diaphragm technology, which will be used in electrolyzer system to separate hydrogen and oxygen during electrolysis. The next stock which you need to look at is SML Isuzu because company appoints Yashuzu as the MD and CEO of the company. Junya Yamnishi ceases to be MD and CEO of the company with respect from 16th of April. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Steel Netherlands because company agreement signed for the world's first liquid hydrogen import corridor between Oman, Netherlands and Germany. The agreement comprises several key components vital to the corridor's development. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.